Hi guys, and welcome to River Talk. I'm Leah, this is Stone, and we are talking the walk. So the last album that Jimmy Buffett recorded had a song on it called I Want You to Love Me Like My Dog Does. And it's such a cute and awesome song. But there's a seriousness to it if you listen to it. And the seriousness is about unconditional love and how dogs totally understand and live unconditional love. And it also says how us human beings don't quite get it to that degree. In fact, we kind of really screw it up in a lot of ways. So your River Talk challenge today, find some time and understand what it feels like to receive unconditional love and what that really means. Sit with that for a little bit and figure out what unconditional love really means. The best way to do that is if you have a dog or a cat that you can spend time with. But even if you don't, if you can just observe animals, go outside and sit with a squirrel or something, or even wild animals, and just sit with a picture of wild animals and feel that feeling of how the animals put out unconditional love as a part of their life. That's how they go through the world. That's the only way they know how to go through the world. And so in doing that, once you understand that feeling of receiving unconditional love, do your best to go through life projecting and putting out that unconditional love for others. That's it for this time. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. From Stone and me, lots of love, and let's talk.